since it's a nice day out. Just gonna do the first cold starts of the lawnmower stuff we use around here. And this is what we use. It's dirty. Did not touch anything. Oil's good. And the gas is too. That's where it came out of. There, and there's the other one that we picked up in spring cleanup. Haven't used that. This would be we used it once last year, just because that one quit on us. That one self-propelled and everything. It was free when we picked it up, but it burns a little oil. Not this one, but the one that we picked up. This thing, we just had this thing forever. And that's what that is. There ain't much gas in it. All I did to them, since Toolkit was out here, I cleaned the spark plug on both of them. I haven't started them up or anything yet. And that was my first time I checked the oil and gas in it, but I brought the gas out in case. That thing needs gas. Anyway, it needs a new spark plug. I got a spark plug inside, but yeah. So let's see, I just charged my batteries up. So when I was gonna first do it, the batteries were dead, so now I've waited. Now it should be all good. And we'll try this thing. Oh yeah. And I have not started it. See, it's cold. Just pulled it out of there. Haven't cleaned it or anything. Normally this thing starts pretty good. Really no problems. Oops. There. That one. That's about normal. After you clean the spark plug once before you start it up, but yeah. Oh, it's a little warm. But yeah, that's the first start. Since there ain't no more snow left. And we're leaving to Boston on Tuesday. Gotta get up at 5. And that's when we're leaving. And today's Saturday. Yep. Tomorrow it's supposed to be 70 degrees. So I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Oh yeah, I gotta put my truck's sitting out front. Maybe I'll show a clip of that a little bit. But yeah. The Mustang, I gotta put that back. I think I'm gonna put that back in the shed. Since we're gone, I'm gonna put the truck in front of the Mustang. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Not sure yet. I think you can see this. That's pretty. It started pretty good. It ain't the best. It needs a carb rebuilt, I'm pretty sure. A new spark plug probably. This thing, we had this thing forever. Had it longer than we had that. We bought that brand new. We bought this brand new. But we had this longer than that. Yeah. I would do a cold start on that thing, but I took the spark plug out and ain't in it right now. But I don't know, maybe I'll drag that red one. It's a 3.5 horse Briggs & Stratton motor. It was free. The front wheels were falling off and I had to put them back on, but it's self-propelled and stuff. Self-propelled don't work the best, but it's okay. But yeah, we only used it. We didn't use it, but the people next door to us, that they don't live there anymore because they got kicked out by the bank. But yeah, they used it to mow their lawn one time, and all I did was put a new spark plug in it and start it up. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get a new spark plug for that. And this needs the carb rebuild kit pretty good. I'm pretty sure it needs to be cleaned out, something like that. I wanted the gas, the 4-stroke or 4-cycle weed whacker, which I might buy, but it ain't too bad. This one ain't too bad. It's just when it gets like hot and stuff, it runs kind of crappy. But it never gave me no problems. It always started when I wanted to. Yeah, I just pulled them out today. They've sat all winter since fall, so it's been a while. Right there, it's a snowblower. I don't know if that thing will start up or not. Try it. I only used this like twice, but it's so big it won't fit between the carport and not that one, but the wooden one. So I might sell it and get a smaller one, but keep it as 2-stage, not one of those plastic ones. I don't want to buy one of them. Let's see. I'll just uncover it right now. Shot. Should repaint it, but someone already wants to buy it off me. The guy that I work at work, he wants one. He said he's tired of shoveling snow. I don't know if this thing's gonna start up or what it's gonna do. Should see if it's got gas. I put new gas lines and stuff on it. Yep. Good. That's that. Other one more that was free. Oh, maybe I'll yank that out, make a different video of it before I go to Boston. But yeah, they say we're gonna go to the aquarium. Yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do, but we're taking a train ride, and that's 12 hours down there. So maybe I'll make a video of the train ride. But we're supposed to be coming back on Saturday at midnight from there. Okay, let's see if this thing will start. this thing started up. Yeah, this thing's running good. It's got back brakes. No. It's the foot pedal back brakes. Anyway. Yeah, the foot pedal. This is the hand one. It's the way it came to me. And then right there, that guard, the chain came through. I mean, that's the way when I got it. So I think I'll take the chain guard off. Or somehow fix it. I haven't really looked into it, but yeah. It does run good. This thing needs to be tightened up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, you can see the tailgate of the truck. It's sitting in front of the house, and there's Mom's truck, and Mustang sitting there. Tomorrow it's supposed to be warmer, and then Monday it's supposed to be even warmer than tomorrow. So, well, it's gonna be. There's the pizza shop right behind us, Dynamo's tanning salon. I think I told you that before, but I can't remember. But yeah, I think that'll be sold pretty soon, and I'll have to bring out the rototiller for the garden. Next, that'll be the next thing coming out. But yeah. So I guess I'm probably gonna make another video tomorrow. I'm probably gonna put Mustang back in there and in the truck. It's gonna be right probably where the Mustang's at or before it, so I can just watch them better when we're gone. And I don't know. I don't think nobody will touch them, but if they do, they'll be on camera, so it don't matter to me. But yeah. So I'll talk to you tomorrow.